So this is the hair. This is the packaging that it came in. Don't mind my nail, y'all. So this is Leeven hair. It's from Amazon, and this is what the hair looks like. It comes with 6 in a pack, and this is what the hair looks like. It's kind of thin, but it did the job for me. So basically, I'm gonna be connecting these two to get the 36-inch lock. So what you want to do is you have to save one loop. This has a loop right here. You're going to save this loop for the top of your head. And with the loop from the other lock, you're going to connect it to the end. The end doesn't have a loop, so you're just going to connect it, if that makes sense. I'll make a little hole, push it through, right, and then I'm going to split open the end of this lock. See, it's split in two. So what I'm going to do is start wrapping around. You don't really have to use crazy glue, but you could use hair glue, nail glue, or crazy glue like I usually do, because this is always what I have. So I don't really use it, but you can use it if necessary. And then I'm just going to be wrapping this one around as well. Yeah, my arms are killing me. I've been doing my hair for 3 days. So yeah. So this is what it's going to look like. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to be wrapping around it anyway, so it's not going to be showing. But if you're really anal about that, I guess you can crazy glue it. I don't really care because it's going to be covered. So this is how you get the extended lock. See that? And this is how much I already did. I didn't wrap it all the way to the end because I do plan on cutting it at some point. I don't like it that long, so yeah, these are up to my knees, so we don't need it that long. So I'm gonna be cutting off these a little bit. If not, I'm gonna be adding on here so it looks extra fuzzy, extra distressed, which is the way I like it. So enough of the talking. I'm gonna get to one of these braids. So the loop that I saved, I'm just gonna be opening that one up. So this here works if your hair is extra thin. If your hair is thick, I would suggest that you get a thicker brand. I think they do have thicker hair, but this one is just thin. Yeah, y'all see how small my braid is, so it worked perfectly fine. So I'm gonna be placing the hook. I opened the hook, and I'm just gonna be passing it through that braid. Wait a minute, yeah, I can't see shit, so excuse me. I'm not even using the mirror, I'm using the camera's viewfinder. So I'm gonna place it through the braid, put this on the hook like so, close it, and pull it through. So now with this, where is it? Okay. So I'm gonna be placing both my natural hair and the lock-in hair through this loop. And then I'm just gonna tighten it like this. You're just gonna pull it to tighten it. So the braiding hair I'll be using to wrap around is the Free Twist braiding hair. and it's a water wave. I believe this one is, yeah, I got the wrong color. Oh no, it's the right color. So this is a 22 inch. I usually get the 24, but they didn't have that, so yeah. So basically I'm gonna be opening up the hair to make it a little fluffy. I feel like they made these strands a little thicker because they were never this thick. Like, it used to be a struggle to open these up. If you guys watch my previous videos on locking hair, this used to be a struggle. Alright, so boom. Here, this is what we're gonna do. Alright, so I realized that I skipped a step. So you're gonna be wrapping the lock-in hair around your actual hair. So I'm just gonna be twisting to open it up because it's a lock hair, so you have to twist it to open it. I don't know if you guys can see that. And now that it's open, you're gonna wrap around. And as you go, you're gonna open it and wrap around. You're gonna keep doing that till you reach the end of your hair. You're gonna pull so it's exactly in the lock, like so. And this is what it looks like when you wrap it around your natural hair. Now this keeps coming out, so I'm gonna use the crazy glue to make it stay. Alright, so this is how long it looks in my head. You guys know this is all I use now. I used to use the argan oil. I still use it, but not all the time. So it's the extra hold shine and gem. It's in a yellow container, but it looks orange on camera. Or is it orange or bright orange? I don't know. But I'm just going to take that and put it in my roots. Because my mom did braid my hair without any grease. So it's OD fuzzy. So the edge control is going to tame it. Just put that around. Alright, so this is the features here. I'm just going to take that and start wrapping around. Make sure that you do the roots very tight so your lock can stay. And then to get that butterfly look, you're gonna use your thumb to open it up. I'm gonna show you guys a little closer because I'm very bad at explaining stuff. So let's bring that up closer. Like right here, okay. So this is what I'm doing with my thumb. See the hair around the thumb. And then you're going to wrap around it twice. And then let it go. So you get that little fluff right here. Wait. You can't see. See the little fluff right here that you get? That's how you're going to get it. So as you go along, you're going to keep doing the thumb trick. You're going to put your thumb through here, wrap around it twice, and then let it go. And then keep going. Do the thumb, wrap around it twice so it stays, and then you keep going. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you add on the other braid in here. So you're going to leave a little piece. Alright, so you have this little piece hanging. I don't know if you guys can see that. So you're going to place this right here, the extra here, you're going to place it like so, and then start wrapping again. And you're just going to keep doing that and doing the thumb trick until you get to the end of the lock. Well, I wanted it till the end. You don't necessarily have to do that, but I wanted to because I wanted my whole hair to be this dress. So yeah, I'm going to keep going till the end. Alright, so this is what the end of my lock looks like. So I'm just going to be making a knot. You make a knot in the end. I don't like using the crazy glue too much because it does make it a little stiff. And I want my locks to be really soft, so now I'm just going to wrap that upwards. So this is what the whole lock looks like. I know you guys can't really tell on my camera, which is why I'm putting my hand there so you can see it. Alright, so now we're just going to do the other three using the same method. So yeah, really quickly, I'm pretty much finished with my hair. I'm gonna show you guys how would it look like in another video, but for now, this is what I use on my edges. Got to be. This lasts for a whole week. And that's pretty much all I use on my edges, because if I use the gel, it doesn't last as long. So once I lay this down and put on my my silk scarf, I'll be set for a whole week. Feel me? So just gonna lay my edges down. I can't really see right here, so I might have to do this off camera, cause your girl need glasses, okay? Yeah, I really don't see anything I'm doing right now. I'm just putting the gel on my edges, and then I'm gonna lay it off camera because I don't have a mirror in front of me. So I laid my edges down off camera, and I'm gonna be using the same silk scarf from the same company. Well, not the same silk scarf, but the silk scarf from the same company, Leeven here. They sent me this as well, and I'm just gonna put that around to lay my edges flat. Yeah. So this is how I'm gonna lay my edges. And you guys be asking me, how do you go to sleep with your hair like this? So my camera died like always. You guys ask me how you go to sleep with your hair. I'm about to show y'all. Excuse me because I'm in sour power, but this is what my edges look like. I love my hair. I always do. I love locks, but I refuse to get the real ones, so the fake ones will do for now. So you go like so. Like this. And then you wrap it around. And this is how I go to sleep. I put my hair in a bun like this. Ooh. I know this looks super heavy, but it's really not. And when you lay your head on the pillow, all the weight goes to the pillow. So just in case it is heavy. But that's pretty much it, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.